Ethanol blended fuel has become popular now as a substitute for some of the additives in gasoline. There's many problems that ethanol, if not dealt with properly, can cause in a fuel system. What happens with ethanol is it likes water. The ethanol will separate and bond with the water, and it all sinks to the bottom of the fuel tank. You don't want it to separate, and you don't want it to degrade. Once you start burning degraded fuel, then all of these other issues show up. Power sports equipment gets run on the weekends. It gets run a few days and then it sits. Ethanol blended fuel, it doesn't like to store real well. Eventually, what we're gonna see happen is ethanol blended fuel will be your only choice. When you start burning ethanol in a snowmobile, especially in a wet environment, it needs to be treated in order to perform properly. You eliminate a whole bunch of problems by pre-treating your fuel before you see any kind of issues. AMSOIL has a product called QuickShot SE that is designed to deal with ethanol problems. QuickShot SE was just awarded Best New Power Sports Product for 2011 at the SEMA show out in Vegas. And to be recognized by SEMA is a major honor. Anything 2 or 4 stroke power sports equipment is what QuickShot is designed for. Just another reason why AMSOIL is the first in synthetics.